Hello, my name is Camila Criollo, and today I am going to present my work, Adventure Travel. Have you ever been on a safari? I have gone on a safari in Africa for 2 weeks. I have already achieved the greatest of my dreams. I have been in the Masai Mara Nature Reserve in Kenya. I have just entered the safari and I have shocked to see wonderful landscapes in the day and the night. I have not could forget the beautiful sunsets of the place. I have rented a 4x4 truck with other friends to know and see the great variety of species to the place. So, I have captured photos of lions, jaguars, buffaloes, giraffes, Bengal tigers, elephant families, zebras everywhere, and many other species. And I have felt a great connection with nature. I have just spent a day with the people of the Maasai culture. This trip received us with a traditional dance. Then they invited me to visit their house and I have enjoyed the gastronomy. Finally, I have traveled in a hot air balloon to see the sunrise, and it has been one of the best experiences of my life. I just got here and I really want to go back. Thanks.